Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on help and feedback, and after that you can just press on help here. Now you should wait a little bit and you can just scroll all the way down here and press on start now. You can see the contact us here. Press on start now and you can see this Adobe virtual assistant here, and you can just select here what's your problem, like get help with an existing account, try or buy an app, get sign in support. Now you can just select there one of these options, or you can just type your message in here, and after that the assistant will be able to help you out. You just type it in hey for example, and you can just afterwards type in your problem there. You can just send that message there, and after that the Google Assistant, the virtual assistant will answer to you, and hopefully it can help you out. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.